Hey guys, so I'm starting out using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. I'm using this flat concealer brush to clean up my brows. I'm using a spoolie brush, and I'll be using a flat angled brush to fill in my brows. So I'm just starting off by taking this spoolie and just brushing up the hairs. So now I've already dipped my brush in the product, and I'm just going to start by drawing the line on the bottom, just like that. And as I get to like the beginning of my brow, I'm just going to do lighter strokes so the line is not too harsh. Once the bottom is done, I just go on the top and do the same thing. Draw the top of my brow, and I'm filling in the tail. And again, I'm just doing lighter strokes once I get to like the beginning of my brow. And then I'm going to just start filling it in. Now I'm just taking my spoolie and I'm just blending out the front. This gives it that gradient effect, like the ombre look, so you don't just have like those rectangle brows, because like nobody wants that. So and don't worry if you mess up, because we're going to clean everything up with some concealer. Now I'm just using this brown mascara to just keep my brows in place. You don't have to do this. This step is completely optional. Now I'm taking my LA Girl concealer in the color Cool Tan, and I'm going to use this on the bottom of my brows. I'm going to do the same thing on the top. This time I'm using the color Fawn. Now it's time to blend the concealer. And after this, you're done.